Welcome to Anand Surgical Hospital Private Limited. Anand Surgical Hospital itself is the state-of-art, comprehensive, multi-speciality tertiary care hospital. Anand Surgical Hospital is an endeavor to alleviate suffering of patients by providing the best of healthcare at an optimal cost. The mission of Anand Surgical Hospital is to treat people with safety, quality, and their affordability. Anand Surgical Hospital was started with a vision to avail medical facilities in the remote areas of Gujarat and Rajasthan. We have a very spacious parking space. Our trauma center consists of all the latest equipments and experienced doctors and competent staff for giving best quality treatment to the patients. After entering Anand Surgical Hospital, you can get any information about the hospital from the main reception, which operates round the clock. For patients' convenience, Anand Surgical Hospital has an in-house pharmacy store so that patient does not need to go out even at midnight. Endoscopy department having facility of ERCP, colonoscopy, etc. is also available at Anand Surgical Hospital. Let us take a brief tour of Anand Surgical Hospital Private Limited. We at Anand Surgical Hospital have a vast OPD area where doctors of different fraternity consult patients and give them proper guidance. This is the surgical OPD run by Dr. Narendra P. Sanghvi, who is a general surgeon and owner of Anand Surgical Hospital Private Limited. This is the orthopedic OPD whose main consultant is Dr. Rishi Narendra Bhai Sanghvi. At Anand Surgical Hospital Private Limited, we have OPDs of different departments like ENT, skin, spine surgeon, dental, joint replacement, plastic surgery, gynec and IVF run by experienced and expert doctors. We at Anand Surgical Hospital, being concerned about patients and their health, have different health checkup plans according to their age. At Anand Surgical Hospital, all kind of diagnostic services like CT scan, X-ray, ultrasound, sonography, 2D, 3D echo are available round the clock. CT scan of 16 slices, digital X-ray with CR system and bedside X-rays are available to the patients at Anand Surgical Hospital. Anand Surgical Hospital has in-house pathology laboratory. Anand Surgical Hospital has 3 major modular class 100 operation theatres for orthopedic, neuro, CT, urology, joint replacement, laparoscopic and general surgery. We also have a cath lab at Anand Surgical Hospital and a 10-bedded recovery room in the OT complex. In the CSSD department, we have ETO machines and autoclave machines. Anand Surgical Hospital has a 31-bedded ICU and dialysis unit. Anand Surgical Hospital has 12 isolation cabins for patients with infections. At Anand Surgical Hospital, we have started gynec department with IVF test tube baby center, separate gynec OT and infertility center. We have 16-bedded NICU PICU run by Ahmedabad's one of the best hospital, namely Apple Children's Hospital. Anand Surgical Hospital has been designed keeping in mind the affordability of all kind of patients. We have 16-bedded general ward, separate burns ward with 8 cots, 28 twin sharing cots. We have 13 special rooms, 7 deluxe rooms and 4 suites rooms. One can prevail all kind of cashless facilities at Anand Surgical Hospital. Anand Surgical Hospital has cafeteria which provides hygienic food to patients and their visitors. Considering the hygiene as utmost priority, we also have an RO plant. Help us make Anand Surgical Hospital serve you better. Thank you for visiting Anand Surgical Hospital.